So I want to talk about misinformation. This was a topic that came up at Google I/O, talking about authoritative content you can trust. And it was interesting. One of your executives said that there are more Google searches for "Is it true that?" Than something like how to bake bread. Back in March, you did testify alongside Mark Zuckerberg, Jack Dorsey, on social media's role in promoting extremism and misinformation online. I guess when you think to Google's core mission, what are you all doing to combat misinformation, and what's helping move the needle?
I mean, it is at the heart of everything we do. So when you come and type a search query, when we say we are trying to find that needle in the haystack, which is the best possible answer, inherent in that is making sure it's factual and accurate and safe, and so that is part of what we do, and everything we do in ranking information is designed for that. We are bringing those same principles to YouTube as well. Content responsibility has been a big part of our focus, and we are making tremendous strides both by using human reviewers and AI. But this is an area where there is constant ongoing work. The amount of information in the world is more than ever before, and so we are constantly working to scale that out.